In this video, I'll show you how to break down any YouTube channel and learn exactly how the creator thinks, how you can clone any YouTube channel, you can study their style, pull ideas from their videos, and use it to improve your own content, all with a brand new free Google tool called NoteBookLM. All right, let's get into it. First, head over to the NoteBookLM website. Click on Try NoteBookLM. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. Then click on Create New Notebook. This window will pop up. Here you can see multiple options. Choose the one you're okay with. You can also study or clone any website, video, or other content. For now, we only need YouTube. Click here, and in this box, we'll paste video links so NoteBookLM can study the whole YouTube channel. For the sake of this video, I'll clone and study a channel called The Studio, which is MKBHD's other channel. To get the best results in NoteBookLM, we need to copy as many video links as possible. But this is very time-consuming if you try to copy every single video link manually. Let me show you what I mean. If I copy the link from here and paste it here one by one like this, it will take ages. But don't worry, my friend. I have another cool method to do this within a minute. You'll need to install two Chrome extensions called GrabIt and NoteBookLM. I've put the links in the description. Let's first install GrabIt. Once it's installed, go to the settings. Click on Add New Action. Select your preferred reference. Choose mouse button, left, key, shift, or control. Select action. Copy URL to clipboard, then save it. All right, now go to the YouTube page. Hold shift, click, and drag down through the videos. It will automatically copy the URLs. Drag it down till the last video. This should copy all the video links. If you want to check, open any notepad and paste. You'll see all the links there. Next, let's install the second extension. Once that's done, select the notebook you created or create a new one. Then go to the tab called URL List and paste all the links into this box. Click on Extract URLs. Now it will do its work. After it finishes, it will automatically redirect you to the NoteBookLM page. You can see that it has started crawling the YouTube videos and pulling in the creator's tips and tricks. Once this is finished, you can type and ask anything related to the channel. Tips, strategies, and how you can implement them in your own videos. This tool gives you real insight and knowledge about the creator. And here's one more crazy part about NoteBookLM. It can generate audio and video previews for better understanding. First, you can check out the audio it provides. It's something like a podcast or discussion.
So if you spent, any time watching those really high-end tech reviews, the super cinematic YouTube stuff.
Oh, yeah.
You just know there's this massive gap between what looks so simple on screen and the just intense labor that must go into it. The curiosity around what we're calling the studio method.
And third, you need to unearth those unique details that no one else has.
Then check out this video preview it generates. It automatically creates an easy presentation format with voiceover.
If you've ever tried to make a video, you get it. The real challenge isn't just making one hype and speculation. And this whole ecosystem battle that was brewing. That context is what makes you, the audience, actually care. Lists and fancy gear, it's not enough. As art director Brandon Harvard says, creativity is... This headphones thumbnail was a massive win after all that testing, but they also know when to pull the plug.
Perfect for studying or learning from any YouTube creator. This is insane. Try it out yourself. It's 100% free with unlimited generations. Now you can copy and crawl almost anything on the internet. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insane AI videos.